Yeah, through Telegram, Brain at Work. Brain at Work. You are all welcome once again to this educational program. Yeah. Now, we are saying that we no longer have short memory. Okay? We no longer have short memory. For that matter, former President Mahama, thank you for saying that Ghanaians have short memory. I am saying that we no longer have short memory. Everything you do, everything you say, all your steps, we are watching and we are keeping record, and they shall be used against you one by one. We no longer have short memory in this country. Enough is enough. Trop c'est trop. Trop c'est trop. What I say? Some of you, our leaders, look, what I am saying now, I am not speaking for against NPP, and I'm not speaking for NDC. I am speaking as a passionate Ghanaian. I am speaking as a desperate youth of this land. Now let me say, who be unto you who will win 2024 election? Who will be winning 2024 election? Pressure you be bro. I'm strong. My phone you will be winning 2024 election. Pressure be bro krum hano. Unti bi so a. Compare hwe. Mami ka se bi chiro. This country, some years back, this country is called Gold Coast. Not only because of the gold in the country, but because at that time, the people leading this country are having golden mind and golden heart for the country. Because long ago, we were having golden people with gold mind and golden heart for the country. And nothing like the Gold Coast. What I say? Long ago, people were having even the word Founders Day. Founders Day. You have changed the spelling. It doesn't matter. You can claim for yourself, but do the right thing. This is what they need. We, the youth, we need now. You are making Ghana unpopular. You are making Ghana unpopular, and you don't care. All you know is somebody is making your party unpopular. Shebibi, say somebody is making your party unpopular. We will make both NDC and NPP unpopular if you refuse to make Ghana popular. If you guys refuse to make Ghana popular, we will also make sure NDC and NPP becomes unpopular. We will not also make you popular, because once the country is popular, you will also become popular. But you are much concerned. Yes, you are saying, Biblia say, you are there talking about break the 8. At this time of Ghanaians' life, you are thinking about winning the next election. Break the 8. You will break the 20. It is break the 20. It is break the 100. What I say? I am me Sesada Koba. Me Sesada Koba. I am a philosophy and art student who have completed school long ago up till now. No proper job. No proper job. I am a philosophy. Me a philosophy and art student up till now. I should keep quiet. I should keep quiet. When I have so many friends outside Ghana, when I talk to them that come and establish something small, I can be managing and taking care. So all that they will tell you is they are afraid. They are afraid of the virtual taxes they will be paying. They are afraid of the taxes which will be coming upon them. Me say ene Yesu osuma inji Gabriel say onfa inshira. If Jesus sent Inji Gabriel today to bring blessing to Ghana, still our leaders will take import duty. They will still ask Inji Gabriel to pay duty for bringing blessing to Ghana. I am not against any party I am for Ghana. Je ne parle pas pour aucun parti. Je suis un Ghanéen, je parle pour ma patrie Ghana. Je parle pour ma patrie. Excuse me. If Jesus and I say Yahweh or Suma Inji Gabriel say on fa in Shran Koma Ghana for and Inji Gabriel will do the port and I say Kotoka International Airport. Hey, taxes are the two so on fa on tia tax and sana what men in Shanabra Ghana for no on Timin Tia. Bibia. I have so many friends outside. They are afraid. They can't. Look, say, we should fix our attitude and the country will automatically be fixed. When you don't analyze the matter well, you will think it is true. You will think it is true. When there is a job, and the workers are well paid, you can regulate the system. When you are late about 5 minutes, you are fired. Do you think one employee will be late to work? But when they are working for 6 months, the salary hasn't come. And you are still saying that if you are late for 2 or 5 hours or 5 minutes, you will be sacked. The person doesn't care. The laugh is still the same. What's your say? So if I should fix myself, bring the tools, and I know that I no more need you. Me say, I am a philosophy. My philosophy and an art student. My philosophy and art student. Until now, I have brain that I can manage businesses. If not big companies, I can manage businesses. I have talked to people. I have so many friends outside Ghana. I've talked to them. They are all afraid because of the taxes and some virtual things they will be paying unnecessarily. Check, compare Ghana Zongo, Ghanaian Zongo, and the Saudi Arabia Zongo. Are they the same? No, because Allah is afraid to bring blessing to Ghana. If Allah brings blessing to Ghana, Ghanaian leaders will ask Allah to pay duties on the blessing before you bring it to the Ghanaian. So Allah will send it to the Arabians. What do you say? African leaders. African leaders, you are worshiping the same God with the Arabians. Why the Arabians are they are moving forward, we can't move forward. We no longer have short memories. We no longer have short memories. What you say? It is the time you say that somebody is incompetent. And you say, okay, so if you are competent, come and do it. So don't come and complain. Patrice Plo Lumumba says, if somebody says he has done something, do not allow the person, or if you say you have done something, you don't need 1 hour to present or 1 hour to talk about what you have done. What you have done will automatically speak for you. So you don't need 1 hour to tell me what you have done. Let what you have done speak for me. Men can't say Adriane bu Ghana anyway we bu Ghana Abraham Solana pa me brand sa onye bi ni di Abraham Solana pa okuta sikapra onye bi ni di Abraham Solana pa adwuma bi ni ho beye no akotina TV and radio so say you have created thousands of jobs, you have done this easy. Who are the people working? The jobs you have created. Who are the people working in those job places? Who are they? Who are those people? If you have created thousands of jobs in this country, you don't need to be saying it. The employees, people who are working in those job places, are the one going to do the advertisement for you. What I say? Just like this Christian God and this, if those gods really exist, you don't need Bible and Quran to tell you. The work of the God will have to manifest himself in your life. Not a book, not what the God has done for some people in a book, which will be your motivation. What he has done for you should motivate you. Always pay attention to unnecessary things. Say we are still preparing for AFCON. A Sikafo, the day Jordan and you, and those people, they are rich people. A Sikafo, they are Sankra, Ghana Sikakakrano, and their mom will say, Omofanko dia Gromumbra, Abra, Innocent. Abraham, ordinary Ghanaians are suffering. Meanwhile, ordinary Ghanaians are suffering. And we are going to gather money, about $15 million. Near the amount of Sikafo, Samonje, Munko Bobo, Nemunko Cap, 4 million, Munfako Jekapambra. Meanwhile, our road, our water, our headset, even our security system is shaking. It's shaking. I'm not speaking for the police, I'm not speaking for the soldiers, but I know that they are in need for something. What I say? We are in this country. I notice also when the ministers, the president, the MPs, those who earn big salary are the people who don't pay tax. They are the people who take free fuel, they enjoy free electricity, free cars. And teachers who are receiving chicken salary, they are the one who pay tax. So I don't understand. Say if you receive more money, you won't pay anything. Those who receive few, those who receive little amount of money, called salary, they are the one paying taxes. They are the one who pay for fuel. They are the one who pay for electricity. They are the one who pay for their rent. They are the one who pay for everything they use. Those who are receiving the big ones, government is consuming, is absorbing what they use, their utility bills. We no longer have short memory. We no longer have short memory. Want to pay to my account, more bet so 8 pesos. 8 pesos. Let me see if I have. More bet pay to so 8. The money you reduce from the petrol, it is not even up to this one. This is 10 pesos, and you have reduced petrol of 8 pesos. So it is not even up to this. It is not even up to this. So the first question, you can reduce it and you intentionally increase it to see what we can do. Do not forget, I think 2003, President Kufuor did something like that and it cost him. 2012, ex-President Muhammad did something like that. We were about to go to election and he has stopped police collecting money from the drivers and all those things. We say, oh, okay, so you can stop them and you have collected it for all this work, and it went against him. Look, I am saying that he who is going to win 2024 election, pressure boom. Now, Rabbi Moshe, that's it. So what to me be gate no? I'm a youth, obiet me can fearlessly, me who are fine. If I die, fine. But I say, now you're more in room, I would know. What you say? Abraham will say, that's it. So what about me leading? What you be Gina? A be done, and my youth, until you comedian and you come be youth are speaking boldly. I've never died before. If I die, it is a new experience I'm going to have. Simple. It is a new experience. What you say? You two have never died before. If you die today, you are only going to have a new experience. That's all. Munkuye preku. Nanado, is that not your slogan? Kuye preku. And you know, this is what we are using against you. Kuye preku. Why? Munkuye preku. Then se mwamya yekon. Ne dia mo de ye asefem. Say you are going to arrest the dollar. I don't get the sense in it. Why are you thinking to arrest the dollar instead of you to raise the CD? Me, I'm a philosophy student. There are some issues I intentionally decide not to talk about it. It doesn't mean that I can't criticize or approve. Why are you thinking in the first place that you have to arrest the dollar instead of you to push your cedi. Huh? Somebody is working for the dollar, for his dollar to go up. You are here saying you are arresting it. Are you not a criminal? Somebody is working to develop his currency. Instead of you to wait to develop yours too, you are saying that you are arresting that person's own. Push yours, push the cedi, and leave the dollar alone. The people, the Canadian dollar, the USA, the American dollar, they are working hard that the economy is sustained. Sustain yours and leave their dollar alone. Leave their dollar alone. You can, I know people will be tagging us, say we belong to this party or that. NDC is not better than NPP. NPP is not better than NDC. They are the same. NDC has ruled this country more than any other political party. Where have they taken us to? Where have they taken Ghana to? And NPP. Where have you guys, NDC, NPP, where have you taken Ghana to? Look at the time of Kwame Nkrumah, Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. At that time, technology is not great as today. But this man was able to do things that you cannot do today in the time of technology. I can't get it. I can't get it. In time of Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, technology was not great as it is today. But this man was able to build port, motorway, so many companies that you guys are collapsing today. On technology, he was able to do things that you can't do today. I can't get it. I don't get it. I know that I'm a child. Maybe I don't understand. So you who are the elders, teach me, tell me. Tell me. And the dirty politics. Dirty politics. I don't have the currency on me. Dirty politics. When you take Ghana cedi, one Ghana cedis, you will see the big C's on them. When you take 5 cedis, the big C's is on it. 10 cedi, the big C's is on it. 20 cedis, the big C's is on it. 50 cedis, the big C's is on it. 100 cedis, the big C's is on it. 200 cedis, the big C's is on it. There is only one note that the big C's are not upon. Do you know that note? That is 2 cedis. Ghanaian cedi, the Ghana money we are using today, it is the 2 cedi that we don't have the big C's, and that is the 2 cedis Nanado has changed into coin. Think about it. May say, me, I'm a philosophy student. When you do things, I observe, try to understand. He did not turn 5 cedi into coin because the big C's is on it, and his father is part of the big C's, so he didn't change it. The 2 cedis, 2 Ghana cedis. Okay, I don't have some yet. The 2 cedis, the 2 cedis. When you take 2 Ghana cedis, that one, it is only Dr. Kwame Nkrumah who is on it, and he has turned it into coin. If his father was the one on the 2 cedi, will he change it into a coin? I'm not sure. We no longer have short memories. We no longer have short memories. Sisi ye need daho. You need daho. The youth. Odie. I know that by 2023, 50 cedis is enough to buy your tank. 50 cedis is enough to buy your tamper. Until 2023, they will come to your doorstep. Don't tell that they should go and fix their own attitude. Ye kamo se yaham. Ye kamo se yaham. Me say, me say Sadakoba. I will speak the truth. Only the truth and always the truth. And I'll make sure I say all the truth. I don't rush coming online. I gather more information before I come. What you say? What you say? What Captain Smart, what he did on multimedia before you brought him to Angel FM is the same thing he's doing in your Angel, and you say pressure is too much. Pressure is too much. Pressure is too much. Say omana be dani music afodia. Be dani modia. Ntino. The American say the one who is going to win 2024 election, prepare. Prepare. If you know you can't deliver, don't even submit your application form to be part of the presidential candidate. Do not even try. If you know that you can't consume the pressure, you can't consume the criticism, if you know that you can't deliver, do not even try to pick a form, because we will make sure you do the right thing. What you say? Now, ye lesson ye move phone and I you were able to call me. Have you called your leaders to tell me to tell them to do what is needed? Il faut tout d'abord conseiller tes maîtres et tes leaders. Il faut conseiller ceux qui te dirigent. Il faut conseiller tes dirigeants. Depuis le président jusqu'en bas. Il faut les conseiller d'abord avant de me conseiller. Je te dis, je leur dis ce qui doit être fait dans ce pays. Nous sommes fatigués en tant que citoyens. Nous sommes fatigués en tant que citoyens de ce pays. Qu'est-ce que nous avons fait du mal? Nous avons donné le pouvoir de nous gouverner. C'est ça notre mal que nous avons fait. C'est ça notre péché. Est-ce que c'est ça notre péché? Nous vous avons donné le pouvoir de gouverner ce pays. Let me give you a clear example. Let me give you clear example. For those of you who follow football, look at Chelsea, FC Chelsea of London. Frank Lampard is not doing well, or was not doing well. That is why they bring in Thomas Tuchel. Thomas Tuchel came. He did not come and spend time to blame Frank Lampard. Thomas Tuchel did not come to blame Frank Lampard. He came to fix the mess. Okay, so Thomas Tuchel, as he came to Chelsea, this is not time for you to come and tell us what Lampard did wrong. We know that he is wrong. That is why they sacked him. So you that you say you can do the work, you have come out. Forget about Lampard, focus and deliver. Oh, okay. And then the Nippon or Tis Canoso, yes, on sorry, Fris Canoso. But first, you cannot tell me Maya. Also, by you are telling her the same story. Are Momo Banti Sikana Yetiso de Radanaira Sikara Wetuko. Bisaumo ye, those who do law, those who study law and philosophy, psychology, and see. Look how difficult these courses. Nipa ya de we nyina betinifi. Ye nya dwuma papa de ye ka mo say. O man mo ye denin disadwe. Enye mo asem na mo wabi. Mo wu ne a mo baba didi ochina. Ye papa mo ni bi. Ye na be ye bi etu ho de man ye man no. Ntina ye kasa. You have. If you die today, your children will enjoy tomorrow. We don't have that privilege. The other time I told you that some of you, the privilege you have, if I say start at Dakoba, I have that equal privilege. I will not be as you see me today. What you say? You are not better than anybody, and nobody is better than you. We are equal as human. But it is because we all cannot be in the parliament. That is why we need to have representatives. For the fact that I say represent me doesn't mean you are better in any way, in all things than me. Do S gracia. Do S gracia. Both NDC, NPP, parliamentary, you all came one to fight for the S gracia. Sanka aye on minor development. And Kobamu say we or said no, we say yes. No more no more the yadri, no more we see tamsa. But S gracia, you all forgot about your political parties and you came together to fight for it. This is how you are to fight. Say, President Akufo-Addo or the policy, and the policy in a year, NDC, NPP, you must come together to support it. So the policy, and the policy in a year, NDC, NPP, come together and reject it. So this is what we need from you. This is what we need from you. What you are saying? This is what we need from you. And I can't say, Obi didi obibia oye juma say you can Obi didi on the juma hu na something like that. Sa be buru menti ase. Ojuma no didi hu say ye nti oka. E dey na ye envelope no biom. Apart from your salary, what? The envelopes na motan chicho. I don't know what they hear you. Say the odwale ohini no na hu bon na die. Look at this corruptible proverbs in Kwan. Nay, the boy home some running. Nay, the share home crying. Some more use health insurance. More than more yare, more blue chip, no more some more yare. Yen it's on my way. Health insurance. Some of you don't use health insurance. We are the one who use health insurance. We are the one who have been taking in paracetamol 3 times a day, morning 2, afternoon 2, evening 2. Yen I blame. Yena yeble ti yana yeba kasa on kasa woti ho ye yi boni nti yeba kasa. We no longer have short memory. All that you are doing, and I don't want to bring religion into this. Now Reverend Osu Bempa, and this is some NPP, excuse me, some NPP members must be bold enough to tell you to keep quiet when it comes to politics. What you have started against Dr. Bawumia, I'm not sure a God somewhere is telling you this. Ekutia boy, Sir Vice President be abedechire bi so obedi omane so a obema osom bia kofom na wapeja osom foforo na osom be ne kofo no be na dia na be ko yi. Tese Dr. Bawumia oyenkremoni nti oba Christianity be kofo no Islamism and as Islam abe dominate nti o start ekutia bo. Me say if there is a God, it's not the one you people will be serving. If there's a God, it's not the one you also be the people will be serving. More a comedian, why? So, if you feel that somebody is making NPP party unpopular, the one thing you must do is to make Ghana popular. You make Ghana popular, and your party will become popular. You want come on. Make Ghana popular, and the party automatically will become popular. Don't seek to make your party popular while the country into which your party is unpopular. How can your party become popular? If the bank in which you are working, if the bank is collapsed, how can you be fixed? How can you yourself be fixed? You will also be broken. You will also collapse. So make Ghana popular, and your party will become also popular. If you seek to make your party popular, irrespective of what happened to the country, you also automatically going to become unpopular. And this, you are not to blame anybody for. You are not to blame anybody for this. Je te dis la vérité. Tu n'as pas accusé personne. Tu n'as accusé personne pour ceci. Il faut tout d'abord penser au développement du pays. Il faut toujours et toujours mettre le pays en première position. Est-ce que tu penses au pays ou bien tu penses à ton parti? Est-ce que tu penses au pays ou bien tu penses à ton parti? Tu veux que ton parti politique soit à la hauteur, soit hein? We no longer have short memories. We no longer have short memories. Free education, correct, and a perfect policy. Just polish it. We all knew that it's not going to be an easy thing. So polish it. Onye sika kakra bi a, invest it in the necessary things. Don't seek popularity for yourself. Let your work give you the fame you are looking for. That is it. That is it. You can deceive the whole population part of the time, or you can deceive part of the population all the times, but you can't deceive all the population all the times. Impossible. C'est très impossible. And I know that you guys know the right thing. You only refuse to do it. You only refuse to implement it. You guys have been traveling every day, every year. You see the development which is happening, which is going on in other countries. Why the implementations of those things in your country have become a problem? Why do you see developing Ghana a dangerous thing to do? Why the development of Ghana appear to you as something dangerous? I'm saying, well, we need 2024 election. Pressure also. Be ready. Be ready to deliver. May say, moment coming. If I die today, I'm only going to face new experience. Besides, I was not born before until that day my mother gave birth to me. I was not born before until that day my mother gave birth to me. And I'm having this experience. Same way, I did not die before. If you kill me, I'm only going to face a new experience. Come preko. Why? Yabre. Ti ebusian. Yen kasa bebre. This is truth telling time. This is truth telling time. Brain at work. We speak without looking into anybody's face. Otia say, me show onima no onima mboboa. Me ntimi kama sanju. So I speak the truth without looking at your face. Tama, former President Mahama also. We did the same thing. We were telling him, do it this way, do it this way. Mona, you see sometimes, Mona, you guys attract pressure upon yourself without knowing. Because before becoming the president, you give promises, you tell us things that can make us believe you that you will deliver. You don't tell us that when you come, you are going to struggle to do this. You people have been telling that the money you are going to use to develop this country, the money is already in the country. So we don't understand why if you guys come, you'll be going to the outside for money. You have been telling others, Sikani in our mind, Sikani in our babu mind, what's Sikani in our mind? Ninti Oba made that cover. I'll not understand why you go for loan. So, campaigner, make sure you speak the truth. Those who are sincere, the citizens who are sincere to themselves, will see that you are saying something reasonable. If they vote for you, you come on power, they will have patience for you. But when you deceive us, that one district, one factory, one village, one dam, one constituency, $1 million a year. When you tell us all this, say every Ghanaian child will have a bank account to say Nyamani Bebrebe. When you tell us all this thing, and you say, oh, okay, then come and do it. Now you come, you are doing the real opposite. You are unpardonable. You are unforgivable. You can't forgive you. What you say? You have listened to your brother Cesar Dakoba through telling time. Your telephone number our page no so. What you say? What open say o supporting with idea. O supporting with idea. A free to be and our man guidelines be. Open also supporting with resources. With resources. Your number our page no so. 054 123 2463 054 123 2463. Sister Dakoba. O first number no and I say oh support you be din komo. O person support it with idea intellectual. O person support it intellectually and as a materially we are available for all those things. Yes. Say enye brabo nko dia we are available. You be din komo da foforo na discuss nyama. Ye can say we no longer have short memory. You need that papa. We are checking you guys. Through telling time, brain at work. Brain at work. Madam Munasi, you be sitting here in common. TTT, brain at work.